we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So we're diving into the world of home espresso today, right? Comparing the Breville Barista Pro, ASINB 08ZCNP 8YR in that sleek black truffle finish,
and the DeLonghi Dinamica ASINB 07RNMXG7G, the white model. I'm really curious to see which one comes out on top for ease of use versus that barista-level control.
Well, the Breville Barista Pro is really pushing that third-wave specialty coffee-at-home experience. They're saying you can go from bean to espresso in under a minute.
The DeLonghi Dinamica is positioning itself as the all-in-one barista, capable of making everything from a standard espresso to a long espresso, drip-style coffee, and even iced coffee. Talk about versatility.
Yeah, the Breville's got that integrated grinder with dose control, using conical burrs. It's supposed to deliver the right amount of coffee on demand. How fine can you adjust the grind on the DeLonghi?
The DeLonghi also boasts a built-in steel burr grinder, and it focuses on grinding the perfect amount every time, leaving no residue. It's about freshness, apparently. Both are bean to cup, but the Breville lets you adjust the grind no remain as precisely.
The Breville heats up incredibly fast thanks to its thermojet heating system, claiming a 3-second heat-up time. That's impressive for getting that optimal extraction temperature.
The DeLonghi warms up quickly as well, which is great for those early mornings when you need that caffeine fix ASAP. But 3 seconds? That's hard to beat.
Both have a manual milk frother, which is cool if you're into making lattes and cappuccinos. Are we talking proper microfoam here?
The DeLonghi highlights its frother's ability to work with milk alternatives like almond, soy, coconut, or oat milk. That's a big plus for dairy-free folks.
The Breville has an LCD display that shows you the grinding and extraction progress, giving you real-time feedback. Does the DeLonghi offer anything similar?
The DeLonghi has a touch-sensitive interface for customizing your drinks, adjusting size and strength. It's more about simplicity and ease of use than detailed feedback.
The Breville uses digital temperature control, PID, ensuring water is delivered at the right temperature, plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius, for optimal espresso extraction. Precision is key.
The DeLonghi focuses on easy cleanup, with a dishwasher-safe drip tray. That's a huge selling point for people who don't want to spend ages cleaning their espresso machine.
The Breville comes with a bunch of accessories, including single and dual wall filter baskets, a precision dose trimming tool called the razor, and a stainless steel milk jug.
The DeLonghi includes a descaling solution, a cleaning brush, a water filter, and even a coffee bean-shaped ice cube tray. Cute! So the Breville seems more hands-on, giving you more control over the entire process, while the DeLonghi is more automated and user-friendly. Which one wins for you?
Yeah, if you want to really control the process and dial in that perfect shot, the Breville Barista Pro seems like the way to go. You're basically a home barista.
And if you want something easy and automatic that still makes good coffee and espresso, the DeLonghi Dinamica seems like a solid pick. It's more about convenience.
Yeah, I'd say it really depends on how much of a hands-on barista you want to be versus how much you value convenience and ease of cleaning.
Exactly. Both seem like good machines, just tailored for different coffee drinkers and their priorities. It's all about finding the right fit for your lifestyle.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.